Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Sometimes barbecue is not always about you. Sometimes barbecue is about your furry friend. And today we're going to be taking care of my furry friend, Snowy. All right, let's get right into it. Okay, I went into my local grocery store down the pet food aisle, and in most grocery stores you will see a cooler where they keep cold food for dogs. I found this down my pet aisle, and I found this at Safeway, also known as Jewel Osco in the Midwest, or any Albertson grocery store, anywhere you can find. And these are the homestyle creation, fully cooked, ready to serve, complete and balanced food hamburgers for adult dogs. And I'm going to be putting these on the grill just to warm them up because they are fully cooked. And we're going to add this to his Saturday special can of dog food night. And I have his can of dog food already on the grill, and we're just heating it up. This food that we're going to be putting on the grill for the dog is not going to be blazing hot. We're just doing a good heat through. And the grill of choice tonight is the Monument Grill's gas grill. All right, I'm going to get these burgers put on. All right, let's get these burgers cut out. Oh yeah, those look like regular hamburgers, don't they? Okay, let's get them on here and let's get them heated up. I'll close the lid and I'll bring it back in a little bit. As you notice, we still have his canned dog food sitting here heating up. All right, it's time to give him a flip. We don't want these too hot for the dog. Can's coming along nicely, not too hot. All right, we'll get a few more minutes and then we're gonna add something special for the dog. All right, everybody, it's been a few more minutes and I am going to add some of my original flavor sweet and tangy barbecue sauce to the dog's burgers. We're not gonna be adding a lot, but he does deserve some good barbecue sauce and good barbecue sauce flavor on his burgers. All right, let's get some of this barbecue sauce brushed on his burgers. The link to my Etsy store where you can buy my barbecue sauce will be in the description below. This is not a very hot and spicy barbecue sauce. He can handle it. All right, we'll give it a minute and we'll flip it over and do the other side. Okay, let's give him a flip. Add some more barbecue sauce to this side. All right, we'll just give it a little bit longer. And yes, you can tell Snowy is anxiously waiting. All right, let's get this wrapped up so he can eat his dog food. All right, let's get all this pulled off. All right, let's get these hamburgers cut up. Oh, these burgers are hot. You're definitely going to have to let them cool. Whew. Man, fingers are blazing. All right, I'm going to let this cool down for a little bit and I will bring you back. All right, let's mix in the can of dog food. Even the flies knows what's up. All right, let's get mixing it so Snowy can eat. We're gonna hit it with a little more barbecue sauce. Get that mixed up in there. Okay, here it is, all mixed up. Let's bring out the dog. And here comes Snowy. I wonder if he approves. That sure is a lot of dog food for a big doggy. Can you eat it all? All right, everybody, I would say that this is Snowy approved, dog approved, whatever you want to call it. Sometimes it's not about barbecue for yourself, but you gotta take care of your furry friend. Every once in a while, they deserve a special treat for all the joy that they've given you throughout their lives. A dog is truly your best friend. All right, everybody, if you're new here, click that subscribe button. And I thank everybody for watching, and I will definitely catch you on the next one. And as I always say, if I can cook it for my dog, you can cook it for your dog. Take care, everybody, and I will catch you on the next one.